Losing your luggage or finding out someone has messed with it is every traveler's biggest fear. Your suitcase is more at risk than you might think. Every year, airlines mishandle 25 million bags, and about 1 in 10 checked bags gets lost, stolen, or opened without you knowing. The worst part is you might not notice it until you start unpacking at your hotel. But don't worry, there are simple ways to protect your stuff and stop thieves. From picking the right bag to using smart security tips, this guide will help you travel safely and stress-free. Let's get started. Your suitcase is your first protection, so picking the right one really matters. Soft bags aren't a good choice because thieves can cut through them quickly, even if they are locked. Instead, choose a hard-shell suitcase made from materials like polycarbonate or aluminum. These are stronger and much harder to break into. Also, avoid bags with lots of outside pockets. They might look handy, but they give thieves more ways to get inside. The fewer zippers, the better. For extra safety, pick bags with double zippers instead of single ones. Some bags have special anti-theft zippers that lock together and are very hard to open without the key. Think a locked zipper keeps your bag safe? Think again. Thieves use a sneaky trick called the pen trick. It's just like it sounds. They use a simple ballpoint pen to open the zipper teeth and grab what they want. The worst part, they can zip it back up so you won't even notice. The solution: use anti-puncture zippers that lock tightly to stop anyone from opening them. If you can't get those, try bags without zippers that have latches instead. They're much harder for thieves to mess with. A TSA-approved lock won't completely stop theft, but it can make your bag less appealing to thieves. They usually look for easy targets, so if your suitcase is locked, they'll likely skip it. However, not all locks are strong. Some can be cut or picked easily. Choose a lock with a tough steel shackle and a design that's hard to tamper with. Look for the red diamond symbol. That means it's TSA approved, so airport security can open and relock it without breaking your bag. For even more protection, use a cable lock to attach your zippers to a solid part of your bag. This makes it much harder for anyone to get in without drawing attention. Ever worry that someone might open your bag when you're not around? Security seals are an easy and effective way to spot tampering and keep your luggage safer. These single-use seals attach to your zippers, handles, or locks and have to be cut or broken to open the bag. If someone tries to get inside, the broken seal will show clear proof that your luggage was tampered with. For checked bags, they add an extra layer of protection. Thieves usually avoid anything that draws attention. Want to make your suitcase even less tempting? Use bright or numbered seals, zip ties, or custom tags. While these seals won't completely stop theft, they make it much harder for someone to secretly open your bag, making it less of a target than one that's unsealed. Sometimes the smartest way to protect your luggage is to make it look unimportant. A shiny designer suitcase is like a big sign that says, "Steal me." Instead, go with a plain or slightly worn-out bag. It draws less attention. Another simple trick is to cover your suitcase with tape, stickers, or even a fragile label. Thieves usually avoid bags that look like trouble. Want even more protection? Wrap your bag in cling film or plastic wrap. It makes it harder to open quickly, and most thieves won't want to deal with the extra effort. If your luggage gets lost or stolen, having proof of what it looks like and what's inside can really help get it back faster. Before you check in, take clear photos of the outside of your bag, including any special features and the baggage tag with your claim ticket. Also, take a photo of the inside of your suitcase, especially if you packed anything valuable. Keeping a list of what you packed or saving receipts for expensive items can make it easier to file a claim with the airline or your travel insurance. These simple steps can speed up the process and improve your chances of getting your bag back or getting compensated. Even if you take all the right steps, things can still go wrong. That's why travel insurance is so important. Many travelers skip it, thinking they won't need it. But with 25 million bags mishandled each year, having a backup plan is a smart move. Just remember, not all insurance policies cover lost luggage the same way, so it's important to read the details. Some airlines will cover the cost of essentials if your bag is delayed, but only if you know their policy ahead of time. Checking your bag too early might seem smart, but it actually raises the risk of it getting lost, tampered with, or stolen. The longer your luggage sits in the airport, the more chances there are for problems. To avoid this, try to drop off your bag closer to your flight time. This way, it spends less time sitting around and is less likely to be messed with. Also, be careful with labels like priority or high value. While they might seem helpful, they can actually attract thieves by suggesting your bag holds something expensive. These bags are often handled separately and may be left in open areas. Unless you really need those tags, it's better to keep your bag looking ordinary. It's less likely to be targeted. Not all thieves take the whole suitcase. Some just open it, grab a few things and leave the rest. Even if your bag is locked, zippers can still be forced open using a simple trick with a pen. Adding a luggage strap with a combination lock can help stop this. It makes your bag harder to mess with and helps keep it closed tightly during rough handling. Airports are busy places, which makes them a prime spot for luggage theft. It only takes a few seconds for someone to walk off with a bag that's been left alone, whether it's at check-in, security, or baggage claim. Always keep your luggage in sight. When traveling with others, take turns watching the bags while someone handles check-in or documents. Leaving your bag unattended isn't just risky for theft, it can also cause a security scare. Unattended luggage is seen as a possible threat, and security may step in, causing delays or even evacuations. Some airlines and airports lose or mishandle bags more often than others. Before you book your flight, it's a good idea to check reviews and baggage handling stats to see how well the airline takes care of luggage. If you can, try to book a direct flight instead of one with layovers. Most bags go missing during plane transfers, so fewer connections mean less risk of your luggage getting lost. If your luggage gets lost, not having the right information can make finding it really hard. When you check in, quickly take a photo of your baggage claim receipt. Put a luggage tag with your name and phone number on the outside of your suitcase so the airline can reach you if needed. For extra safety, put a card with your contact info inside the bag too, just in case the outside tag comes off. And if your airline has an app that lets you track your bag in real time, be sure to use it. Many suitcases come with a default lock code set by the manufacturer, and lots of travelers never change it. The problem is, these default codes are well known and can be opened in seconds. When you get a new suitcase, change the combination to a code only you know. Avoid easy numbers like 000 or 123 and pick something unique. Some travelers think that spreading valuables across many bags makes it safer if one gets lost. But actually, having more bags means more chances to lose or have something stolen. Instead, keep all your important things like your passport, money, electronics, and jewelry in one carry-on bag. This way, you always know where your valuable items are and you won't have to guess which bag has what. If you put fragile or valuable things inside your suitcase, wrap them in soft clothes for extra protection. Most travelers rely on airport staff to find lost luggage, but there's a quicker way to keep track of your bag. Big airlines like Delta, American Airlines, United, and Lufthansa have apps that let you track your luggage in real time. Before your flight, download your airline's app and turn on baggage tracking. This lets you see where your bag is during your trip and get instant alerts if it's delayed or sent somewhere else. Instead of waiting in line at baggage services, you'll already know exactly where your suitcase is. If your bag doesn't arrive on time, don't wait. Report it right away. Most airlines need you to file a lost luggage claim within 24 hours, so the faster you do it, the better your chances of getting your bag back. Go straight to the airline's baggage service counter before leaving the airport and ask for a Property Irregularity Report, PIR. Also, keep any receipts for things you need to buy while waiting. Some airlines will pay you back for these essentials until your bag is returned. Flashy, designer, or brand new luggage can catch the wrong kind of attention. Instead of picking a bright or fancy bag, choose one that looks plain or a little worn. If your suitcase already looks expensive, try using a simple luggage cover to make it less tempting for thieves. A suitcase packed too full is more likely to burst open if it gets tossed around, making it easier for thieves to grab things. If your bag is very full, use compression straps inside to keep your stuff tight and stop anything from spilling out by accident. The baggage carousel is a common place for luggage theft because unattended bags can be easily taken. When you land, go straight to the baggage claim area and stand close to the spot where the bags come out so you can grab yours quickly. No matter how carefully you prepare, there's always a chance your luggage might go missing. Instead of stressing out, plan ahead so you're never caught off guard. Here's a simple rule: never check anything you can't afford to lose. Always keep your passport, cash, electronics, jewelry, and medication in your carry-on. If your checked bag gets lost or delayed, you won't want to be stuck without the essentials. That's why it's smart to pack enough basics in your carry-on to last at least 48 hours. A change of clothes, toiletries, and anything vital. Also, keep your airline's customer service number handy to report lost luggage right away. Save your boarding pass, baggage claim ticket, and take a photo of your suitcase before you check it in. Having these details ready helps speed up the recovery process. So next time you pack, don't just think about what's inside your bag. Think about how to protect it. Safe travels, and may your luggage always arrive with you.